What's going on, y'all? Hopefully we get some good pulls. Found these Lost Origins at Walmart. Again, Walmart is selling single packs for $3.74. Best price of the year since Pokemon has jacked up all the prices on Pokemon trading cards in general. So had to make sure I went through all those single sleeve boosters, grab all these packs from the Sword and Shield era, and I was able to find seven packs of Lost Origin. Still looking for this Alt Art Giratina. This card is extremely hard to pull, but hopefully something could happen today. They have a bunch of Paradox Rift, Scarlet and Violet base, and then Paldea Evolve, and they had Obsidian Flames. They have a bunch of them again, but single packs $3.74 a pack. Not a bad price. Metacham, Mienfoo, Litleo, Ghastly, Ducklet. We got a Hisuian Zoroark, a Lampet, and Aerodactyl V-Star. Let's go. First pack with a banger. Alright, code card. Make sure you guys are claiming these code card, as again, I don't play the TCG. I do, but not at that competitive level. Every now and then I'll get on and lose a few matches here and there. Putting a deck together is extremely difficult. You gotta find the right combinations and whatnot. Alright, Galarian Stunfisk, Box of Disaster, Bronzong, Makuhita, Electrike, Murkrow, Shuppet, Wurmple. We got a Sableye and a Parasect and a code card. Alright, pack number 3. And then, were you guys able to find any of those, excuse me, Black Friday Pikachu boxes? Yeah, those were all gone when I got to my Walmart. They, it was sold out, 25 bucks, 7 Crown Zenith packs. Good deal, but the display that it was set up on, empty. So I gotta go probably to a different Walmart to look for code card if you haven't got it yet. Nothing out of that pack. But yeah, that's the Black Friday. Last year they had the Darkrai box, I believe. I know one year they had the, what was it, the Jirachi GX box, and I did not buy it, and I totally regret it because I believe that box is like double in price now. So it would have been cool to have in the PC. Oh, Bennett, Trainer Art Gallery, Poliwrath. So these white code cards, because it's Lost Origin, does produce. Three more packs. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, Water Energy, Hariyama, Nuzleaf, Torkoal. We got an Oddish, Hisuian Growlithe. We got a Lickitung, Slugma. We got a Clefairy, Hisuian Basculegion, and a Porygon Z. All right, second to the last pack. It's Gardevoir artwork. Make sure you guys are able to see that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lightning Energy, Nuzleaf, Relicanth, Lost Vacuum, Binacle, Murkrow, Wurmple, Clefairy. We got a Lickitung, we got a Seviper, and a Hoopa, non-hollow. All right, down to the last pack. Hisuian Zoroark with the we got a Darkness Energy, Dottler, Panic Mass, got Seadra, Electrike, Luvdus, Gligar, a Wurmple. I think I put a Wurmple in every pack. Rhyhorn. We got a Jinx, and we are ending this pack on this video code card on Magerna. So 7 packs, 2 hits. What can you expect? It's Lost Origin. One of the second. I think this set is really hard to pull from too. Next to Evolving Skies. But other than that, thanks for coming in. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys claim those card cards. Until next time, see ya.